Alright, today I just want to show you guys real quick, if you guys don't have Photoshop or something that you can create mock-ups in for customers, I just want to show you guys real quick that you can do it in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to show you how to make your own mock-ups in Design Space. The first thing I did was I took this picture last year when I was designing some pot holders for Christmas. And all I did was I just imported it as a JPEG and then imported it as a print then cut and inserted it into the canvas. And then just sized it down to fit out here on the screen. And then I'm going to go in here to my images. I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to find one of my ones from Christmas time. Oops. And we're just going to insert that here into the... So I'm just going to insert one of my Christmas designs here into Cricut Design Space. I'm going to scale it down. And I'm going to come up here to the top left corner, and I'm going to change the color to white just so you guys can see it. I'm going to use this little rotating arrow right here to kind of just rotate it a little bit to make it look like it is on the pot holder a little bit better. And then that way it'll give you an idea of placement, and it'll also give you an idea of if you're going to like that color. You could come over here and change the color to see, maybe you wanted to do it green, or maybe you just want to send this to your customer so they see that's what it's going to look like when it's all done without you having to make it, and maybe they'll have a few more changes or something. And then all I would do from here so you can send it to them is I'm going to use this little snip tool down here, or you can screenshot and just kind of crop out the rest, whatever works for you guys. So you're just going to select your snipping tool and hit new, and then you can drag and drop, and then you can save this as a JPEG onto your desktop or whatever file you want to save it in. And then send it over to your customer. But I did just want to show you guys real quick how to make mock-ups in Cricut Design Space to show your customers what a finished product might look like without having to create it and then go back and make changes and losing profit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep creating, and I will see you guys next time.